What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Iterate Performance. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. And today we're going to be talking about a knockoff SKunk2 manifold. So I actually bought this thing off Aliexpress. I wasn't expecting too much of it, but I was hoping it'd be pretty decent, And I'll show you guys what I mean by that now. And the point of this thing was really to learn how to maybe do a port and polish, touch up a little bit of things like that. Just get some practicing, get my hands wet. And I'll be going over the quality of this in case you guys are looking for it. I'll be posting up the actual item description or listing right here. And you guys will hopefully, make the decision for yourself. Is it worth buying or is it worth actually going with SKunk2? So here we go. Now to start off, you could see that I have cut open the plenum. And just from an overview of it, a quick look, it might seem like a fine, basic manifold, It's got the ports and everything like that. But if you look closely, look at these intake ports. They're all kind of shaped different. This one is actually kind of at an angle. This one, if you guys see right there, it's got that like curvature in it. This one seems real small, and that one, I don't know what's up with this one. It's like this like runner end is real big, and right here is so small. And then when you look at the machine work of the head or of the mating surface, it's actually not even. Right here it gets real smooth and drops, and alongside, it seems pretty flat, but I honestly doubt that. So when we check it out, if you look, it stands pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but you can see it rises and falls. Now as for the back of the manifold, don't worry about this. I was actually trying to smooth it out with my flap disc and angle grinder. The mounting positions are all there. It's got for that 10 mil right there. No threads in this hole, no threads in this hole, so we'll have to be rethreaded. Casting is garbage. This right here, for the bolt holes, pretty decent size. Smooth, should do the job. Move over to the idle air control valve, and it actually has two mounts, one for like that smaller type R, one for a regular B series idle air control valve, so that's pretty good. This vacuum elbow moves freely, so that's good. You could rotate it. Flip it over to the intake side, and we really start to see the quality difference. Look right there, if you could see. That is way different from the SKunk2 manifold. Shape and all. Now it does fit. I matched a gasket to it. It does fit pretty well, so you don't have to worry about bolting it up, but this diameter doesn't look as big just because on the SKunk2 manifold, this actually moved over to about right there. I'll be posting a picture for you guys right now. So it looks like you can't actually port match this out as big as the SKunk2, but I'm not there yet. It's just been cut open with an angle grinder. So if you look in the runners themselves, all this has been smoothed out up to about right there with just a wire wheel on a drill. To be exact, right there. Yeah, I know it's not the best work, but like I said, I'm using this to learn. But look at all these casting imperfections. You can see where I was sanding it down, it's kind of smooth, but it's inconsistent. Like if this is just real cheap cast aluminum or mixed aluminum with other metals, even these 90 degrees are way off. I'm showing you the SKunk2 as well. And as for the runners going inward, I haven't actually got to smooth them out. I did really quickly with the wire brush, this smaller one. And you could still see those casting marks pretty deep into the metal. So I will be gasket matching this, you know, seeing if I could bring this back to something that's actually usable. Now I'm probably going to be getting a different intake manifold gasket than stock, maybe a thermal gasket from like a Honda or something. I'm not too sure yet. But overall, the quality of this thing looks like if maybe someone just threw it together. This is like, you know, the trash pile and stole them and sold them. Now it was only like $100 that I purchased it, and you'll see that, you know, you get what you paid for. Now for me, this is a learning experience tool more than anything. But for those of you, anybody maybe looking to save some money, you know, be careful with what you buy. Like I said, like, look, here's the plate, you know, it's got the freeze plug and everything. It looks pretty close. And actually on the website, some of them you'll see, you know, it's blurred out and stuff like that. And Aliexpress is supposed to me, seem like a Wish or an eBay. And some of their products are actually pretty good, pretty, you know, good quality and everything. But this actually was not at all what I was expecting. It was promised with the logo on it. So, you know, I thought, you know, maybe it's the real deal. Cool, it has the logo and everything, just blurred out. And seller did not have the logo. Now they have dropped prices since, or changed prices since I've looked at it and listings. So it's going to be a little different from what I saw to what you saw. But clearly this should have been a giveaway as a fake SKunk2. They don't have that. The logo's etched in, you know, just better quality. And they do pretty good pictures of it. But even the packaging, this is the box it came in. Just a box with those actual two styrofoam pieces. Styrofoam pieces I'm used to hold it together or hold it up. This is how it came in. Pretty much like that. In this plastic, in this box that was visibly opened. So, you know, it came to me pretty open. I did talk to the seller and everything like that. They did refund me a little bit of money. I actually didn't want to keep it, but they didn't want to take it back, so I had to keep it after all, and they didn't want to refund as much as the damage. I gave them proof and everything, so just so you guys know, not all sellers are like this on AliExpress. This isn't a knock or hit towards AliExpress, but it is something to keep in mind when purchasing from websites like this. They are cheaper, you know, China-made products. People just trying to make a living, you know. They're selling them to the States, usually discount, but sometimes offers are too good to be true. And in the case of this manifold right here, that actually happened to be the case. Too good to be true. But like I said, this is a learning experience. Now, I'm not sure what you guys recommend I do. Maybe you guys can give me some input. You know, tell me how you would pour and polish it. I was thinking of just going with the flex ball hone through these runners and seeing about smoothing it out, getting, you know, a smaller flap disc to take care of the inside of this, using my Dremel over there, and seeing how that works out. You know, maybe just sanding it down by hand. Give me some recommendations. How would you guys pour and polish this? Now, I'm not trying to take it to a shop. This is for learning, so that's out of the question. But, you know, if you guys think I should grind this piece off right here, make it nice and smooth, you know, or maybe etch in my logo or something like that, what do you guys think I should do? Which recommendations do you guys have for this manifold? Like I said, I'm not garbaging it. It's a learning experience. So how would you guys fix this? What do you guys recommend? Now, my tools are pretty limited. I got the Harbor Freight angle grinder right here with a couple of grinding discs, flap wheels. I have more of them, you know, mask for safety. Wire wheels, I will be getting more of these soon. So get more sandpaper, Dremel with some attachments. But what do you guys recommend? How do I fix this? What do I do? I mean, should I paint it? Should I just leave it like that, try and weld it back together? You know, how does that gonna work? Okay. And just so you guys know, for welding, I am trying this aluminum braising. I have tried a couple pieces of this and it doesn't seem to work too well. I'm thinking this metal's too hot to heat up evenly. So I will be trying a couple other methods. Maybe I'll make a video, guys, of that. If you guys want to see me weld this thing back together, or at least attempt it, let me know. Tell me in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Because I'm using, for right now, you know, propane and the map torches. All right. To try it out for now with that braising rod. If not, you know, maybe I might stick it in the grill, let it heat up evenly. Maybe I can get my wife to let me use the oven. I'm not sure. Probably it's going to be the grill. But what do you guys recommend? Tell me, you know, give me some advice. Let me know. I'm out here learning, trying to get you guys some content. Maybe let you guys see something that you've been looking into and, you know, get like a, I guess, a DIY guide on how to do it, mistakes, pros, cons of it. All right, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Give me some feedback in the comments, and follow me on Instagram.